Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video. I'm back in Germany and look what I've got, not one but two Apple HomePods. The white version I've already unboxed for the German channel and the black version I will now unbox here. Yes, it's original boxed and packed, and as you can see on the packaging you already can notice if you got the white or the black version. And also the writing, the letters. This is white or whitey white on white, and this is black on white. So Apple is doing exactly the same but different here. So also on the black version we got no informations, nothing. We got this little foil here wrapping around the box. Okay, this is nice and easy to lift and open. And now let's pull it up. 3, 2, 1, and there we go. We got our black beauty here, and this definitely looks like the Mac Pro. It's close to looking like a Mac Pro. Let's lift it. Ooh, and it feels as I would want to say smooth and nice as the white version. This is really a nice soft fabric surrounding the HomePod. Let's see what we got in the box. Again, we got our starter's guide, this time in round. Ooh, it's also the black version. This is nice. This is what I'm always talking about. Apple is giving you, they're giving you details in the starter guides. And we also get Apple sticker. On the black version, it's also white. So white. And on the white version, it was also white. So. And now we got a really nice thing, because the black Apple HomePod got a black cable, and this is fantastic. And of course I bought them in the States, so I got here the state plug, and let's get rid of it. And we got a 2-meter cable. Yes, and as we noticed since a couple of hours, those cables are detachable. You need a lot of force to pull them out, but once you pull them out, you can also plug them back in. This works, and you can change the cables. So no problem here. So what else? What I've noticed is that the black cable, this cable is more grayish. It's not exactly the same color as the HomePod. On the video I see it looks the same, but no, this is a little more lighter gray. Then on both HomePods we got no additional holes, no USB ports, no headphone jacks, nothing, only the cable, and that's it. On top of here we got our Siri, and I have to wrap. The cable was stuck with the camera. So on top of here we got our touch surface where you can see if Siri is active. You can change the volume, and let's plug it in, and there we go. Let's start. Ooh, this looks nice. This looks really nice. This booting logo, or not booting logo, but look, nice. But as you can see, this is everything I can show you now. Of course, I will do a comparison video. Of course, I will test them out. I will do a setup, and I figure out how well I can use the Apple HomePod here in Germany, where it's not yet officially released. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I see you all in the next video. Bye.